Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your DJI Mavic Mini with your Android phone. Okay, so first of all we have to remember about a few things. The first, let's focus on this DJI controller. We have to charge this device before start pairing. So on the left side next to this button we can find micro USB port. It's right here. So we have to plug right here the micro USB cord, micro USB cable. You can find this cable in your box accessories. Plug it right here. The second end, the USB-A, you can plug to your laptop, PC, or for example to any charging brick. And as you can see, our device is charging. When it's fully charged, you can simply unplug this cable, and then you have to do the same with your batteries. So here you can find 3 batteries, and if you want to check the battery level of each one, you can just press on this power button, and as you can see right now it's blinking like that. So it means that this one is above around 50%, this one about 25%, and this one is out of the battery. To charge any of them, we have to also plug the micro USB cable right here in this place. And as you can see right now, we are charging this battery. If you want to charge, for example, this one, you have to take off this one and this one. And that's how we can make it. So this one is about 50%, and we are going to input this one to our drone. So right now we have to grab our Mavic and we have to focus on this plastic part with the sticker. Right here we can find input for our fingernail, for example. Open it gently, and here we can input the battery. So we have to input it like that in this position to let this pin stick. Press on it, close this cover, and also it's good time to input here the micro SD card. So as you can see, that's the position that we have to make with the card. Put it right here, press with your fingernail, and right now we can put it back. We are not going to turn on these 2 devices right now. Let's focus on our phone. So we have to get this DJI application, we have to open our browser, and we have to type DJI Mavic Mini download. As you can see, we can find here official website, and we can get the application from this website. In the Play Store we cannot find this app. So we have to get this application, so click to download Android APK file and click to download. In my case there is the download again because I already have this application. When you download this app, you can find it in the downloads on your phone. So if you are using the Google Chrome, you can tap on the 3 dots in the right upper corner, tap on the downloads, and here you can just simply open this application and install. Okay, as you can see, application is installed. So right now we can simply open it. We have to put it in the horizontal mode. Click agree. Accept all of this stuff that pops on the screen. We can skip by tapping on the right upper corner. Here we can enable all of this, and then click in this place. Right now we can join to improvement project, but I'm gonna skip this one actually. And right now we have to input our account. If you don't have account, you can just create a new one. I have, so I'm gonna use my data right here. Let me just make it out of the screen. Okay, so first we have to input our mail and then click next. We have to also accept this read agree, so click next. And here, as you can see, we have to input the password, so let me just make it out of the camera. When you input your password, you have to just click to login. There's a quick guide, then we can skip, so click here, here. Okay, and right now I can recommend you to use this connection guide, so click in this place, click OK. Right now we have to select our DJI Mavic Mini. In my case it appears right here, so click on it once. As you can see right now we have to use our controller, so we have to take out this part and this part, and also we have to montage these sticks, so I'm gonna remove it, and you will find them attached right here, so you have to open this part. Okay, it's not that easy to take it off, but we can finally make it, so we have to just simply take it off like that. And the sticks you will find in this place. I just removed them, but you will find them here, so we have to take them off and put them right here in this position. And then just twist. The same with the right one. Okay, as you can see, it's working, there's no any problem, it's not gonna slip or something like that. Okay, and as you can see, right now we have to short press this button and then click and hold it one more time until this indicator turns on, and also we'll hear the beep sound. So let's follow. As you can see, it's turned on. Right now, in our box, we can find this cables with USB-C port, micro USB port, and lightning port. In my case, this phone is working with the USB-C, so I have to plug it right here. And the second then, and the micro USB, this one, we have to plug to our controller. Here we can find this input. So let's put it right here. I guess it will be easier to first attach this micro USB right here, and then the second then to our smartphone. It's easier to operate with the phone instead of this pad. And there's also information when we plug it, as you can see, so we have to click OK 2 times. And right now we can also montage our smartphone right here in this place. Okay, next we have to use our, let me just rotate because it's supposed to look like that. Just be sure that it's properly input. As you can see in my case, there is a bulky case that actually make me feel uncomfortable when I hold it. So it will be definitely better when you take off case if you have on your phone and let it just simply stick like that, because you have to input your phone right here inside this rubbers to don't let it slip. You know what I mean. So yeah, that's how we can make it. And when you properly montage this phone to your controller, you have to grab your DJI Mavic Mini and then we have to take off this cover from our camera. So take it off just like that. Do it gently to don't break any of these parts. Next we have to enable our proppers, so we can start from this. There is one marking, so let's start from the upper proppers and then move forward to the bottom. As you can see, on each one there is the information in which way you have to open it. Next we have to simply use this button, and we can activate this Mavic the same way like our controller. So click on it once and then click and hold it. As you can see, right now our device is activated. After a few moments it will start blinking, just like that. And right now, as you can see right now, it's in the pairing mode. And as you can see right now, we are automatically connected. So honestly, that's the first time that it works automatically in my case. In the most cases, I have to connect it manually. So I have to just select this previously option that was at the bottom of the screen to simply pair it manually. But that's how it looks. That's how you can automatically pair your DJI Mavic Mini, your controller, with your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Okay, so there's this situation that I was talking about, that when you cannot connect it automatically, you have to select this option to enable to connect to the aircraft. And as you can see right now, we have to press and hold the power button on our Mavic, this one, for 4 seconds until it starts blinking and also make the beep sound. So let's try to make it. Click and hold it. Keep holding. Okay, let's turn it on at the first. So click once. And right now hold for the 4 seconds. And it looks like right now it is in the pairing mode when this is blinking like that. And as you can see, when we make it, right now we are connected. So there was this manual way to connect this Mavic to our smartphone. And if you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.